Okay, Robby here, Dodgy Garage. This your mobile DPF cleaner. This is a 2009 Jaguar an X-type, and customer says that whenever he gets in the vehicle and goes for a drive, the DPF light comes on, and in a very short distance the DPF light turns to red. Just so that you know, dongle position is over there. We've already loaded up here. Let's take a look. Okay, so what we have there: mass airflow sensor, exhaust gas recirculation, okay, diesel particulate filter, pressure too high, ash accumulation. Okay, so let's go in and take a look. Read the data stream. Just let it go through its motions. Okay, and what we're looking for there is diesel particulate filter differential pressure. Okay, 0.06 kPa, and we want to change that to HPA 0.62. Okay, and at idle we're at 13, anywhere between 10 and 13 HPA, which is slightly blocked, but not really. So something else is going on. We need to find out what's happening. Okay, been for a drive with a customer in the car, and the diesel particulate filter pressure sensor was all over the place. When we got back here, as you can see, it's at 0 at the moment, and the reason being is that it's the one pipe is disconnected, 0.62. Been for a drive, the pressure was all over the place, which tells me that the pressure sensor is at fault. And what I've done is I've connected up the manometer onto the vehicle, and at idle here we're at 7 and 8 millibar of pressure, so that's telling me DPF pressure sensors at fault. And there we go. Okay, in conclusion with that Jaguar, during the course of the test drive, the temperatures of the exhaust gas were ranging anywhere from 350 to 550, so it was an indication that the car was doing passive regens and trying to regen the exhaust as we were driving, despite the inconsistent information coming through to the ECU from the pressure sensor. And then obviously at the end of the drive, when I tested the pressure, the actual pressure inside the DPF with the manometer, you could see that the pressure at 7 millibar was absolutely spot on. The pressure at idle should be below 10 millibar, so it was absolutely fine despite the faulty pressure sensor. So the customer has been advised to get a new pressure sensor, have that put in. So pressure sensor bad, Jaguar surprisingly very good. See you in the next one.